Alright, so what I got to do is take off that bolt all the way back there. I already got this one out. And then we'll take this off here and see what we can do. What we got to do is take this little ring. You can see it right there. This little ring that goes around. I'm going to pop that off of there. And I have to take this whole thing apart because I figured out that the top doesn't turn. So there's something going on inside. I'm going to have to replace it with this other one that I got. Down inside here you got these two magnets. Now I think one of these broke inside here, so I'm just going to take this one and take all the other parts and put them on this one right here. Alright, as you can see, we got all the stuff off of here, wheel and stuff. Now what we got to do is pop this off, and you have two bolts here. I'm going to take these out and this will all pop apart. Alright, now that we've got this apart, I got these two screws out of the back of here. Let's find out what's going on inside. It's exactly what I thought happened. I don't know if you guys can see down in there. Somebody must have been tapping on the side of this real hard with a hammer or something before I got the tractor. There's a bunch of magnet and stuff all over this. Look how bad that is. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this and clean this all up. Get off of here whatever I can. All the magnet particles and stuff. And we'll see if we can get this rebuilt. Alright, so we're ready to put this back together. I already got the bottom part on here, and I got the top. I'm putting the screws back through right now. Alright, well now that we've got the starter all back together, let's find out if she moves. Well, it seems to work. Seems to work pretty well, actually. So next, what we're going to do is we're going to put. Here's the old one. We're going to go get the new one and put it on here. All right, I went over and I found 3/8 socket. I should be able to just put this back on here like this. Take a screwdriver or something. In this case, I'll probably just use these. Put this on top of here like that. And it might not always work the first time. Anyways, here's the starter. I got the wheel on there now. And we're ready to install it. Alright, now as you can see, we've got the starter installed. Everything's working like it should. And now I gotta just hook up this wire here quick, the hot wire, and we'll find out if she starts up. I got this all hooked up. Everything's hooked up like it should be. Let's find out she starts up. Look at that. Perfect.